So all you have to do is come here and copy your link like that, paste it on a site like this, upload it here, and you can literally start generating thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. Look, if you want to learn exactly how you can promote affiliate links for free online to make $400 or more a day, even if you're totally brand new, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly simple 10-minute free traffic method you can use to promote affiliate links in any niche. I'm literally going to share every single step as far as how to find a highly profitable product to promote. I'm going to share how to get content online that you don't even have to create yourself. And then I'm even going to share how to promote that content to get massive clicks to your affiliate links on autopilot once you easily set this up. And all of this can result in you making $400 or more every single day. Now, before I get into the very first step though, a lot of people have been asking me to share my absolute favorite way to make money online from scratch. I actually created a private video revealing just that. To get access to the free video, just click the first link in the description and check it out. But without further ado, let's dive into the very first step. Okay, so the very first step is we need to actually find a product to promote. One place you can go is clickbank.com. Now, if you don't have an account, all you have to do is click start here, and then you just go through the very simple questions and you can create an account for free. Now, once you create the account and you're inside your ClickBank account, you want to go to this left right here and we want to click this little house icon, which will take us to the affiliate marketplace. Now, this is where they're going to have all these different categories of products you can promote. Now, for this specific method, it does not matter what category you choose. You could choose health and fitness, you could choose spirituality, but for the sake of this video, if you just want to follow me, go ahead and click health and fitness. Now, whatever category you choose, what we want to do on ClickBank is we want to sort results by gravity high to low. This is going to sort these products by the highest gravity score. So anything that has a gravity score above 20 is great. Now, this Live Pure product currently has over 540 score. So we're going to choose to promote this one, and it will pay you on average $148 per conversion. Now, once you find a product with a high gravity score and a good amount per conversion, we just want to click this blue promote button and we want to click create hop link. Now, this right here is our affiliate link that we want to keep handy. Now, if I go to this right here, you're going to see that it looks like a page that will sell someone on buying this product. And what's going to happen is after they watch this video, after a certain period of time, a button will appear. And when they buy this product through that button, because it's through our custom link, we will get credit and we will start to make money. So what I like to do is I like to open up a notepad file and I paste in the affiliate link there to keep it handy. Now, the next step is we need to actually go over to ChatGPT. Okay, if you don't have a free account with ChatGPT, you can just go ahead and create one in a matter of minutes. ChatGPT, if you don't know, is basically using artificial intelligence, and all we have to do is enter in a few words here as a prompt and it will generate content literally in a matter of seconds. So what we want to do is we want to, for this method, we want to use ChatGPT and create an article that has to do with the topic our product is about. So for the sake of this product, it has to do with dissolving fat. So what I can literally do is go to ChatGPT and I can type in, write a 300-word article teaching people tips on how to lose fat. Okay, now you can literally do this for any type of product. So you can say, write a 300-word article teaching people tips on how to get back with their ex-lover or how to build muscle, how to make money online. Then whenever you paste that in, we want to click this green button here and it will literally in a matter of seconds generate this 300-word article. Okay, so it went ahead and spit this out in a matter of seconds and you can see that this is really valuable. Okay, so it gives us a title of the actual article and then it gives us all of these tips for someone to actually lose fat. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to copy this entire article and we want to copy here. We want to go over to Google Documents and you want to create a new document. Now you can put this in any document creation app, but I like to use Google Documents. And then what you want to do is you just want to paste in that article there. Now, when you paste it in, you may see that the formatting is not ideal. it's not very readable. So what we want to do is we want to just format this slightly because this is going to be very crucial to the step I'm going to reveal in just a second when it comes to promoting this and making money. So we want to just highlight everything. I like to make it black, okay, so it's more readable. I like to typically do 14 with the font size. Now for the title, okay, we can actually just take the title here, cut that, and then paste it in the title of the document. And then we can actually just space this a little bit more, okay? So I can come here and I can just go through. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go through and format it, and I'm gonna come back in a second. Okay, so I went ahead and formatted it like this. Now another thing you can do is for each of the tips, you can actually make those bold, okay, to make it stand out a little bit more, make it a little bit readable. So I'm gonna do that as well. Okay, so you can see that it's really starting to come together and become a lot more readable. Now what you wanna do is after the first or second paragraph, we want to enter a call to action to get people to click our affiliate link. Remember, the whole purpose of this is to get clicks to our affiliate link so we can start to make money. So what you can say is something like, click here to learn the #1 way to, and then whatever your article or your product is about. So #1 way to lose weight fast, okay? And now what we want to do is we want to highlight this. We want to go to this little paper clip, and we want to insert our affiliate link, okay? So we can go to the notepad, copy that affiliate link, paste it in there, and then click apply. So now it's gonna have a paragraph or two, and then it's gonna be here. So that when someone clicks on this, again, it's gonna go to our sales page, and when they buy, we will start to make money. Now, you can actually copy this and you can put it at the very bottom as well, okay? Like that. And now we have a really good article with the link a couple times to go to our affiliate offer. Now, what is the next step? The next step is we want to go to File, and we want to actually download this as a PDF document because we're going to use this PDF in a second as you keep watching to make a ton of money. So go ahead and download that now. So once it's downloaded, now we want to go over to a site called academia.edu. Okay, now what this site does is it allows you to literally upload PDFs of almost any topic under the sun. And what happens is a lot of people go to this site and they look for different PDFs on information and they download them and they start to read them. So you can see there's tons of different papers on medieval history, electrical and electronic engineering, social psychology, okay, tons of different things, health. So what we want to do is we want to actually sign up for free, okay? So go ahead and click sign up. And then once you go through the process to sign up, which takes just a minute, it's totally free, you'll be into your account like this. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to click upload, and we want to actually upload the PDF we downloaded. So once you're on this page, you just want to click choose a file and then choose the PDF you just saved, okay? Choose I'm not a robot and then click continue. Okay, so once you're on this page for the paper title, we just want to go back to this document here, and we just want to copy the title that was of the article, and then just go back to here and then make that the title like that, okay? Now for abstract, you can actually write a little bit about what this is, okay? So discover how to lose weight while still eating the foods you love, okay, like that. Now go down here where it says research interests. We want to put different tags that are words that have to do with what our PDF is about, so it can show up on this site and people can start finding it. So I can type like weight loss, okay? I can type in body fat. I can type in health, okay? I can type in fitness. You just want to find some bigger, broader words that have to do with this because again, once we publish this PDF, it will start showing up for these different keywords. So when people search for different articles and different books, they will find ours. And then when they download it and they start to read this article, they will see this call to action. They will go to the actual sales page and they buy, we will start to make money. So go ahead, do that, and then just click Save Paper Details. Okay, now once you do that, you can literally just write a few words here talking about why people should read it. So again, I can say discover how to eat your favorite foods and get in great shape. Okay, something like that. And then post. Okay, so you can see right here that it is listed. And a lot of these PDFs, they will get thousands and thousands of views over time as people start to find it. Now we want to open this up by clicking here, okay? And then we want to do one other thing. Now, yes, a lot of people will start to find this PDF. They'll start to download it and they will start to see our affiliate link and buy. But right now, I want to share with you another incredibly powerful free technique to get tons of people finding this PDF so we can increase our traffic and clicks and make even more money. So what we want to do is we want to go over to a site called Quora.com. Now, if you don't know what Quora is, basically it's a question and answer site where people can post questions and other people can give answers. So we want to sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. And once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to go to search, and we want to search in a few words that have to do with what our PDF is about. So in our case, it's lose weight, okay? And you can actually see all these different questions that people have asked pertaining to losing weight. Now what I can do is I can actually filter by questions, and you can see all these different questions, okay? Now this person right here has 10,000 answers. What are the best ways to lose weight? This one has 2.3. Okay, so typically it's good to look for questions that have a little bit less answers so our answer will stand out more. So with what diet can I lose a lot of weight fast? I can open up this question, okay? And because I created a free account, I can click answer. And then what I can do is I can start to answer some of it like this, okay? So if we go back to our article, I can say, you know, I can copy, let's say 2 of the tips, and I can go back here. I can post that in, okay? And then I can say, to learn more, be sure you get the full article here, right? So I'm giving them a preview of our article, and then I'm giving them a call to action. And then if I click and highlight this, and I click these letters, and I go to this paperclip, I can enter the URL. Now the URL we want to enter is if we go back to academia.edu and we go to the page where it's directly to download our PDF, and I copy the link at the top, we want to go back to Quora and we want to paste that in and then add. So now it's clickable, okay? So now we're answering with some value, and then we're basically like, look, if you want to learn more, go here. And then we have the link to download our PDF. When they download our PDF, they'll see this right here, and then they will go to want to buy the product. So all you have to do now is click post, okay? And that answer is posted. And now as people go and they see this popular question like this, and they start to scroll, they will start to find our answer. Now our answer will stay up there for months, if not years to come, leading people back to our PDF, leading people back to our product. Well, there we have it. These tips can help you absolutely crush it when it comes to making up to $400 a day with affiliate marketing. But before you get going to discover my #1 way to make the most amount of money, be sure to click the first link directly below and get access to that other free video revealing much more information. Also, if you got value, be sure to smash the like button to let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so you're always notified of my latest videos. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.